So let us get into this rainbow salad recipe. Now you want a head of spinach, you want a head of broccoli, 2 carrots, you want to have a head of romaine, 2 peppers, and yeah, that's what we're going to be working with. First, you want to cook up the broccoli to whatever texture you like. People like the broccoli harder or softer, etc. And yeah, chop up the rest of the veggies just like this, and shabam, throw it all together. And wow, looks pretty. Looks so pretty already. And you want to also chop up some dulse and sprinkle it on there like a professional chef. And we're about to make the sauce. I'm using coconut aminos, but you can use gluten-free soy sauce or regular soy sauce if you don't have a gluten problem. And juice of half a lemon. Mix that together, and we're about to, go for it right here. There it is. It looks pretty, and we're about to pour that in. Shebang. And this is a pretty big salad. Whenever I eat the salad, I feel absolutely amazing. 10 out of 10. So much nutrition, vitamins, minerals, phytochemicals. And yeah, I ate it with a side of potatoes and some more dulse flakes, and it was fantastic. So with that being said, enjoy.